Hello and welcome to another update video about Xpeng, XPEV. Got requested this chart and it is one that I have analyzed for our professional and advanced members in the stock service. So it is one that again also was requested here on YouTube quite a few times. So I thought I'll take a look at it here on YouTube for you. And the idea is on this chart that is not clearly bullish, at least not yet. It might be something for the watch list, because as soon as we have the 5 waves to the downside completed, as per the white wave count, it could at least get a larger corrective bounce. So the idea is on this chart that we've seen a wave 1 to the downside from the 2020 high, a wave 2 rally, third wave down, fourth wave rally, and we could now be in the 5th wave to the downside. The idea is that it's a diagonal pattern. Okay, so the wave 1 is a corrective move, the wave 3 is a corrective move, and the wave 5 would therefore also need to be an A, B, C structure. So that's at least the expectation, as long as the price stays below standard resistance for this B wave rally. So expectations would be that this here, because this is a 5-wave move down in this A wave, that we now get this B wave rally, and the standard resistance for the B wave starts at $10.72. Minimally, I'd like to see the price get there in the coming weeks, maybe months. I don't know how long it takes, but it can take a few weeks, yeah. Then maybe a bit higher. I mean, 12.47 would be sort of ideal, 14.50. $18 may be a little bit strong. That would also go along with a break above the descending trend line. So to keep the white count really highly probable, I'd like actually the price to stay below the descending trend line and then form one more low. And then we have an A, B, C structure in wave 5. And then from there, question is always what happens after these 5 waves. Unclear at this stage, but as soon as we get a first small impulse down here to the upside, it would indicate that at least a larger corrective rally is unfolding, because this could be a 5-wave move, maybe a large A wave, then at least we get a large B wave, and then we'll see how it develops then, right? Can always do a complete turnaround and basically restart. But obviously, yeah, this is a highly speculative chart. At the moment, it's not clearly bullish. It's just for anybody, because I know a lot of people are interested in this stock. Maybe don't get too bullish yet, but maybe after one more low, it's worth watching for a potential reaction, right? Maybe again, something for the watch list. However, at the moment in the short term, I'm looking for a corrective rally, and then it takes a break below $6.50, which is the April low, to really confirm that we're heading down in wave C of 5 to the downside. The green box here is a support area anyway. We had support here before in 2022. Now again, so this is one that needs to break here. It's between, I mean, 650 is the last swing low, but the overall support region is between 620 and $7.50. So in the very short term, if we go to the 1-hour time frame, you can see that my assumption is that an A wave rally happened. That might be wave A in the larger B wave. The B wave pullback happened as well here into the May 24 lows. And the C wave rally could be unfolding right now. And then we have a larger ABC structure in a larger B wave. It is possible that this B wave sits here and we have another large ABC in between. That this ABC is only the larger A wave of wave B. That can always happen. But for now, let's see if we can fill in just these 3 waves to the upside. That would minimally reach 1070. Also pay attention to this previous wave 4 high, which is around 1070. So this just indicates that we have some structural resistance there together with Fibonacci resistance. My ideal target would be between 1070 and 1250 for that B wave. So we'll see how that unfolds in the coming weeks and maybe months. But bottom line is there is nothing clearly bullish. There is a bullish pathway, which is the yellow one, in which we've only moved down in 3 waves, but it would then be an ABC structure, but the C wave is here in this case a 3-wave move that doesn't really fit. So it would have to be a WXY pattern that makes it very exotic. So it's not preferred, but then assuming this might be an A wave, then the B wave rally is now unfolding and we have an ABC, but that just doesn't add up, because this move down is also 5 waves, yeah, and a B wave shouldn't be 5, so it doesn't really fully add up. it would be something I would have to force as a wave count if there's a break above standard resistance of $18. That's my update about Xpeng or XPEV. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, then feel free to check out the stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.